Welcome back to Business Shark community. Our topic today is again OpenAI. And I know before you protest. We have already discussed about OpenAI, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. Yes, but AI is a very hot topic right now. It's so much going on. And I just want to dive deeper into ChatGPT and OpenAI. And last week we discussed auto mode compared to thinking mode, and now I've found a new feature that I wanted to try out, and this feature is called Canvas. I know it's not very new. I think OpenAI has already introduced it in in September 2024, and Anthropic has introduced it, or a similar tool called Artifacts in June 2024. So actually OpenAI just copied Anthropic. But I think this is pretty common in that sphere, and everybody is copying everybody. So nevertheless, I read that you have two windows in Canvas, and it's actually pretty good to edit text or code. And that's the thing I want to try out. So you have two windows. In one you have your normal chat, and in the second window you have your text, and then you can just edit it, and ChatGPT will not change everything, just one paragraph or one sentence, and you can highlight one sentence and then this sentence will change. So it sounds pretty amazing. That's why I would like to try it out. So let's just dive into it. Okay, now I have opened my ChatGPT window, and you can already see it's not thinking mode. It's instant, because I think thinking mode will maybe be too slow. So that's why I just use the instant mode. And let's go to Canvas. I think we have to use this plus symbol here and then go to more. And here we have Canvas. Now you can see it. I have activated Canvas, and I just want to type some question, and I have an interesting one. So maybe you have heard about Anthropic having this fight with the Pentagon about their contract, because the Pentagon wants to use Anthropic's AI for mass surveillance and automatic drone strikes or something like that. And Anthropic just don't want to give them the permission, and so they have some problems. And now the Pentagon has kicked Anthropic out, and right in that moment, Sam Altman stepped in and said, yes, we have a deal with the Pentagon. And actually, that created a lot of backlash, because, it's not a very nice move. And that's why I want an answer from Sam Altman. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me that answer. So write a letter to Sam Altman demanding an explanation for his cooperation with the Ministry of War. So let's see what we get. Okay. Your name, address, postcode, Sam Altman, Chief Executive Officer. Okay, dear Sam Altman, I'm writing blah blah blah. Global. In the light of this, I would appreciate your response to the following concerns: the nature and scope of any cooperation, the ethical framework, the safeguard, implement. Okay, now we have the letter. And okay, what can we change, and where is this Canvas feature? I have just one window here. And no additional chat window. It's still in my chat window. Where should I search for the second window? Okay, I just try here, not copy, edit. Yes, that seems good. Here I have my conversation window, and here's my second window with my text. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty okay, the text, but I want to add more bullet points to it. So I just highlight the bullet points and ask ChatGPT, add more bullet points, and go. And what do we see here? Okay, here he's thinking, oh, he's rewriting them. Okay, now I have 12 bullet points. Great. Pretty cool. And what can I do? Can I do more stuff? Here we have a pencil. Adjust the length of the text. Okay. Just, I think Sam Altman is pretty busy, so let's just keep it short. Dear Sam Altman, okay. Great. Now, what kind of tools do we have? Oh, reading level. Okay, let's just keep it simple to middle school. Because, yeah. If it's simple, it's easier to understand even for Sam Altman. Maybe some friends of Sam Altman will read this text like Elon Musk, or I don't know, or maybe someone from the Trump administration. So this text has to be very, very readable and simple. So great. I think it's done. The text is done. And here I have my chat window, here I have my text. And I can add emojis, I can add final polish, but I think the text is okay, so I will add some emojis. So list. Oh, he's adding emojis to my list. Great. That's pretty great. I think this is the best level for Sam Altman and maybe for the Ministry of Defense. And yeah, it's done. It looks very, very good. And yeah, I mean, I like the text. I shorten it a little bit. I add more bullet points, and that's it. I think it's a pretty great feature. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And now I will send this letter to Sam Altman. See you next time. And never forget, attack and bite.